Alright, so Kurt says he wants to take another run. So, he's gonna see if he can beat my mark. He's out there at the second piece of grass. The first one, right? Having issues locating it. There it is. Right there. There's the first one.
I think it got a little wet.
You could be right. Did you beat me, or is that the same spot?
No.
Oh, you suck!
Hang on, because I stalled.
I'll fire it right up. Oh, man. Oh, you stepped in it.
What?
In the shit.
Squishy, squishy.
Do that again.
Oh.
Ah. Oh, fuck. He is a true trooper. He wants to do this for a third time, but at a different spot. Right here. Alright. Oh. You stalled her. Must be a little bit waterlogged, filters I soaked. Who's your daddy? Who's your daddy? Yeah, take it, bitch. Take it. Oh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah, I made the fun again. He's almost getting out. Oh, come on. Come on. You know, we have a perfectly good tow rope here, and yet he chooses to walk through it. Can't understand the guy. There you go.
Holy fuck.
Yeehaw!
I'm good for a minute. Woo.
Head to toe.
It's a little heavy. Ugh. Woo. There we are, just coming up our hill here. It's our little smoke spot. And I seem to be having some massive fucking clutch issues for some reason.
I'm actually wondering if it's dirt.
I'm thinking that's what it is. Or my spring needs to be a little bit tighter. Here, my hands are fucking filthy.
There you go.
Shouldn't have hit that puddle.
I told you guys we were at South Dale in Wonderland. Look at that. There's the old Wally World track. Yeehaw. And we are so gonna go play on that.
Any idea what time it is?
Yes, it's 4:02 p.m. The suns are shining. He's muddier, and I'm muddier than a motherfucker. And we're having a ball.